morning, everyone. So I was checking a tax return, new client this morning, and they got some pension income. And of course, we're going to split that pension income with this spouse. And then I looked back at the last year and realized they didn't split pension income. And I'm trying to figure out why they didn't split pension income. And it's just because it wasn't done. And I'm still baffled because, a lot of the programs now, bigger, more robust programs will split pension income for you, or it'll yell at you if you're not splitting pension income and they qualify. So I figured, I got to go back and do a whole bunch of adjustments for this client sometime this summer and get them back thousands and thousands of dollars in refunds. And what better topic to have as our video than pension splitting? So there's a bunch of really technical rules, so I'm not going to get into the real nitty-gritty details, but what I'm going to tell you is that if you have a pension, okay, and this doesn't include CPP or OAS, but if you have a pension and you have a spouse and they don't have a pension and their income is different than yours, there's a good possibility that you can share your pension income with your spouse and save a whole bunch of taxes. Okay, and when you turn 65, the door opens a little bit wider too, and includes other income like T4 RIFs and stuff like that, where before 65 there's special rules surrounding that. Again, I'm not going to get into the details because there are a lot of them, and there's you can tell that the rules get complicated when the CRA starts putting tables together and telling you what is and what isn't, what qualifies, what doesn't, and all that kind of stuff, just to try to make the information a little more consumable. But even if you and your spouse's income are very similar, and by that I mean you're in the same bracket, they have pension income and you don't have pension income, the moment you split that pension income, you're going to get, if you're old enough, you're going to get a $2,000 times 15%, a $300 break on your tax return, just because you get an extra deduction for having pension income. And splitting pension income qualifies you for that pension deduction. So at the very minimum, splitting pension, assuming they don't have other pension, will get you at least a $300 refund on your tax return. So if you got pension income, try to split that pension income, and hopefully your tax preparer, accountant, whatever, is going to be doing that automatically like we do. But this bookkeeping firm that was doing these tax returns, I don't know how it wasn't caught, because they use a robust system that should have been yelling at them, unless they just ignored those warnings. But so anyways, I hope that helps. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your friends, take care of your logbook, and be well. Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, all of which are linked in the description below. We're more than just an accounting firm. We do business consulting and media creation for our small businesses. Consider checking us out. It would really mean a lot. Hope to see you soon.